In a small town named Willow Creek lived a girl named Emily, simple, kind, and full of dreams. She believed that love had the power to heal everything, but life had tested her belief many times. Emily worked in a local coffee shop to support her studies. Every morning, she served coffee with a bright smile, even when her heart was tired. One rainy morning, a young man named Ryan walked in, drenched, lost, and looking for something more than coffee. When their eyes met, something unspoken connected them. Ryan was an artist who had given up on his dreams. He once painted the world with colors of hope, but after his parents' death, he stopped believing in himself. He traveled town to town, running from memories. When he met Emily, something changed. She smiled at him like he still had purpose. Day after day, Ryan started visiting the cafe. Sometimes they talked about art, sometimes about pain, and sometimes they just sat in silence. Two broken souls finding comfort in each other's company. One evening, Emily found Ryan sketching her while she worked. She laughed. "Why me?" Ryan looked up and said softly, "Because when I look at you, I see light. You remind me what love feels like, not the romantic kind, but the kind that gives you a reason to live." From that day, Emily became his inspiration, and Ryan began painting again. He started an art exhibition in the town, naming it The Power of Love. The theme was simple: how love revives the human soul. But fate tested them once more. Emily was diagnosed with a heart condition. The doctor said she needed surgery soon. Ryan was shattered, but Emily smiled and said, "Don't stop painting. Even if I'm gone, promise me you'll keep creating beauty in this world." Ryan promised. He sold every painting he had and used the money for her treatment. The surgery was risky, but he never left her side. After hours of waiting, the doctor came out and smiled. Emily survived. Months later, at another art show, Ryan presented a new painting, a girl holding a heart made of light. Beneath it, he wrote, "Love doesn't always mean holding hands forever. Sometimes, it means giving someone the strength to live again." People were moved to tears. Emily stood beside him, holding his hand tightly, whispering, "See? I told you love is powerful." Ryan smiled, looking into her eyes. "You were right. Love didn't just save you. It saved me too." And from that day, they didn't chase perfection. They lived each day with gratitude. Their love wasn't about fairy tales. It was about healing, courage, and the power to rise again.